Hello, friends. Welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineers Equity Research Internship Program. This is the third video of Equity Research Internship Program, Module 3 of Equity Research. In Module 1, we discuss about the introduction about the scores, basics of the stock market, risk related to stock market, reward related to stock market. I already discussed that there are so many other videos already prepared related to stock market that we have already shared in the module and task sheet. You can go through it, okay, and you should go through it. In module 2 we discuss about fundamental analysis and technical analysis and the real life issues related to fundamental and technical issues, technical analysis, and why we do those analysis, right? Now in module 3 we are going to discuss about, suppose if you are a candidate, now you know what is basics of the stock market, you watched the videos and all, you know the risk and you know the reward, you know what is fundamental analysis, you know what is technical analysis, and now your uncle, your father, your somebody, some close by, he is now expecting you to please, can you please give me some stock, tell me a stock that where we can invest and make money. They want your suggestion. How will you suggest? Okay, so the one way of suggestion is giving the tip. Hello uncle, Tata Bhushan Steel. Hello uncle, Deepak Nitrite. Hello sir, please buy Tata Steel. बढ़ेगा बढ़ेगा बढ़ेगा, right? So this is one way, very unprofessional kind of way. नहीं बढ़ा तो क्या होगा? If it is not, if the stock doesn't never show up, never show up the profit, then what will happen? It is very unprofessional. On what basis you are suggesting? Just like that, you read some news, that's it. Or you think there is a COVID situation, so after COVID people will buy a lot of steel, so Tata Steel will go up, right? So so unprofessionally, this is how you present. Just send an email, send a message, call them, tip दे दिया एकदम मस्त. But what if professional presentation? What if you want to present professionally? Okay. What if the guy you are presenting a stock are arguing that they should invest in these stocks? They are a big guy, this high net worth individual or a big portfolio management company, big fund manager. They trust you, they tell you to find out a stock and present it to us. How will you present? So in US there is one term called stock pitch. Pitch a stock to a company. It's a professional presentation of presenting professional presenting presentation about pitching a stock to a company, to individual, to buy or sell or whatever. Supposed to buy. We already how this stock pitch documentation prepared. There is no fixed format of it. Otherwise format नहीं, stock pitch में ये डालो. But there are fixed rules to it. First of all, the stock pitch document, it should not be like 50 pages कि इतना मोटा एक फाइल बना दिया कि सर this is the file, go and read it, you'll find out why you need to invest in this stock. People won't read that file, they will throw it. Okay. And people also don't want to have a slip कि एक slip page जेब से निकाला कि सर ये ला ये stock है इसमें, purchase this stock and it will grow. People don't want that also, they will throw it. People want a logical representation in a logical way. So they want you to present, make a PPT, maybe PPT or like whatever, a document also, 5 pages, maximum 10. If it is a PPT, then 10 slides. If it is document like MS Word or something, then maybe 3-4 pages. And in those 3-4 pages, you need to write your findings about that stock, logical finding. What are the different ratios, how the stock performed, And not only fundamental, technical also. How the stock performed, how the stock doesn't perform in these things, how the stock perform with with the index, how all these things happen. Like these are the main charts. What are the different ratios of the stock? How much is the stock is paying the dividend? How much this? How much that? This that. Okay. So how, the way you prepare and represent a stock pitch document, they will invest in that stock or not invest. That is their decision. Maybe they say, yeah, it's very good, but I don't want to invest, or we are investing in another stock, right? Or so, but they will. You will also show, you also show. You can also show them that you are a professional guy. You have the professional attitude of presenting a stock to somebody. You know how to present that stock to somebody. So they might hire you, right? Or they might call you and say, okay, can you make a stock pitch document for this stock? Can you make a stock pitch document for this stock? Okay. So that is called professional representation. They will invest or not invest. That is called stock pitch documentation. So in this internship, in this whole training program, you need to prepare stock pitch documentation for three stocks: one from mid cap, one from large cap, and one from small cap. Make a short stock pitch documentation and try to convince that person with logic that why should they buy this stock. Okay, so you are pitching a stock to them. The second part of this whole this module is portfolio analysis. So what is the meaning of portfolio? People talk about portfolio all the time. This is not in my portfolio, this is in your portfolio. What is the meaning of portfolio? Portfolio matlab kya, right? And what is the portfolio of a stock? Portfolio means a bag, a certain container which contains a lot of different type of things. So suppose I have a bag and I have 10 fruits: apple, pineapple, banana, and these are the fruits. So I say this is my portfolio of fruits. My portfolio, just for simple analogy to understand, right? People see your portfolio and say, oh, all your portfolio are the fruits which are sweet, right? You don't have lemons. He said, no, no, I always eat sweet fruits. My portfolio fruits are very sweet. Some people portfolio is different. They bought some oranges, some lemons, some tamarind, some sweet, some banana, and something like that. So that bag is called the portfolio. So suppose somebody have 10 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees. They want to invest in a stock. They come to you and say, they told you that and you already know how to make a stock pitch document. So you already pitched one stock to them. They say, oh wow, wow, Mr. Ashish, your stock pitch is very nice. Can you please suggest where we'll invest this 1 crore? Okay. And this is how the portfolio management companies do. And if you are a portfolio manager, how you manage their portfolio. So either you tell them that okay, you 1 crore, you buy this stock, one stock, buy 1 crore shares from that is 1 crore, using that 1 crore rupees for buy shares for one stock and wait for that stock to grow. This is one strategy. But the problem in this strategy is, what if that stock doesn't grow? The whole 1 crore is gone. The result is zero. They are not getting any money. They will not trust you next time. Right? Now, so you don't want to suggest this, right? You say, ki, sir, I want your 1 crore to be distributed in, suppose, 25 stocks. So per stock you are only investing 4 lakhs. Okay. Yes, okay, fine. That's a very good idea. Let's invest 4 lakhs per stock. and see. Now again there is a issue. You invested for 4 lakhs to 25 stocks, and now you're waiting that these 25 stocks will grow. Definitely from next day onwards, like 12 13 stocks go grows, 12 13 stocks goes negative, and overall it is positive or negative something they are earning. So strategy is better than the first one. But the problem with this strategy is, what if when you bought all those 25 stocks, the market is already on the high? When you buy all the stock, you spend 1 crore rupees, then the market goes down. Now what happened? All the stock or most of the stocks showing negative, negative, negative. 4 lakh ka now it's 3 lakh 80,000, 3 lakh 92,000, 3 lakh 75,000. So overall portfolio got negative. Then you will think, अरे strategy तो अच्छा था, strategy was good, but I invested all the 1 crore at one time only. In 25 stock, yes, but at one time. And that time the share was high. Then you say, no, no, I don't want this strategy. Then you go back to them and say, sir, I am now giving you new strategy. Forget about that. These are the things you are going in your mind. So the new strategy is, I will invest in 25 stocks, but I will invest that 25 stocks in 4 phases. Phase 1, phase 25 lakhs, phase 2, 25 lakhs, phase 3, 25 lakhs, phase 4, 25 lakhs. Phase 1 now, 25 stocks, 1 lakh each. And 75 lakhs, I will keep that in the trading account. When the market goes down, then I will buy. Then the market goes down further, then I will buy that next 25 lakhs. Then it means you need to diversify like this. You cannot put your money in one. So number of stocks needs to be higher, like 25, 30, and money also need to be distributed like in one time, second time, third time, fourth time. Okay, so this is how when you manage the portfolio, and there are so many hundreds of strategies. Like this is one strategy I'm discussing that we follow, right, that we see and with our investors. But these hundreds of other strategies are there. ऐसा नहीं वैसा वैसा नहीं है. Now they say, okay, fine, I understand you are a very intelligent guy. You don't want to invest, you want to de-risk our investment, so that's why you want us to invest for 4 different time zones with different phases and with 25 different stocks. Now the question is, which 25 stocks we need to invest? यहाँ तक तो समझ में आ गया how you manage the portfolio. So this whole exercise is called portfolio management. Sometimes the client only that they told that you want to invest in this kind of a stock, this kind. Sometimes the clients leave everything on you. You invest, you think, you make the you make a good decision and give us the profit. You need to think like that. So when you select that 25 stock, what are the strategy you will use? So usual strategy is people invest 10% of the money in gold first. You say, sir, 10% you will invest in gold. Like out of 1 crore, 10 crore, 10 lakh rupees should be go in gold. Good. Second strategy is 10% should go in debentures, debt. Equity is share, right? Debenture is debt, like where there is a fixed income of 12% or 14%. There are companies who raise debt using the debt instruments, debentures. That is not shares, but that is debt for the company. There is a good strategy. Yes, 10% on debt, 12% income. Gold is always good to invest in gold. 10% in debentures, so 20 lakh gone. Then what about the 80 lakhs? So out of 25 stocks, suppose one stock is the gold gone, one stock is debentures gone, 23. Now here again people do mistakes that those 23 stocks they search, and that can be hundreds kind of strategies, but I'm giving you one simple strategy so that you can understand what exactly is the portfolio analysis means. So suppose from that 23 stocks, you selected 5 stocks from, you selected all the stocks related to big brand companies. सारा जो भी बड़ा बड़ा है, टाटा, रिलायंस एंड ऑल दिस बिग कंपनीज आई सेलेक्ट. छोटा कंपनी तो बाई नहीं करेगी, ऑल बिग. Again there is a issue. Diversification should be there. Again the issue is all these big companies everybody knows. So if the company already reached a share price of 1,900, the chances it will reach 3,800, like 100%, is less. Like it will take maybe 1 year, 2 year, 5 years to reach that 1,900 to 3,800. But if there is a stock price of 100 rupees, some there is one other share price 100 rupees of another stock, the chances that it will reach 200 maybe in 6 months, maybe in 2 months. 100 का 200 तुरंत हो सकता है, लेकिन 1900 से 3800 it won't go in 2 months. So you cannot invest all the money to the big brands and companies and thinking that since they are big brands we can make money. Then again you need to diversify between big brands like large cap, small cap and mid cap. Okay, so this is how you select the stocks. So this is, I'm not giving you the idea of selecting that stocks. That is your work when you do the portfolio analysis, portfolio management. But I'm just giving what is portfolio management, how the portfolio management is done, right? How to handle the clients. So one of the best way to do the portfolio management nowadays is there is one company called Small Case. Small Case. The company name is Small Case. What they do, they hired a lot of large people who do a lot of technical analysis, strategy analysis on all these things. And because of the strategy and technical analysis, they selected some stocks, do a back test on that stock. And if they find out this back test on the stock that okay, if we would have invested in this stock like 2 years back, we should have get a return of this much. So then they will tell people to invest in these list of stocks and get a return of 30% per annum, 23% per annum. And they are good. They're really good. I'm not saying go to Small Case and all, but they're really good. So, and there is better than just random selecting a stock. Or you can get the idea of stocks from there and then do the research by yourself. The Small Case is one thing to select those 25 stocks. Okay, you can do your own research also. You can do a lot of website, go to a lot of website, go to a lot of screening website also, NSC website, and find out how to do the research. Find out how to do research. Find out who are the best stock, which stock is not performing so long, so they can perform well, and this that. Okay, so in this module you understand first what is stock pitch documentation, the professional representation of the stocks to be pitched to the investors to invest. Second thing, what is the portfolio management for the investors, for the companies. Professional portfolio management, not like on call and that's it. So, and we have already shared a few stock pitch document, like stock pitch formats. You need to prepare the stock pitch, go through the fundamental, go through the technical analysis, and always remember one thing. Okay, the whole stock market is based upon money. Is based upon money. People invest to make money. Nobody invests to dance. Nobody invests to lose. Nobody invests to gamble. Right? सब लोग invest कर रहे हैं to make money. And there is a way that everybody will make money. Like if it is long-term investment or not. So the only thing matters is how the profit can be gained from the stock market. Okay, so never think Never put anything in the stock pitch, anything in the portfolio analysis, any research, any indicator, anything that you are not able, no, are not, you are not comfortable in explaining that. Never put something. I have seen a lot of people to show that they are very over smart. They know the smart pulse, and to know they know the pulse of the stocks and all. They talk. They always talk in a big terminologies and all these things. Okay, but trust me, those kind of over smartness and those kind of representation never helped, even for professional companies also, and for HNIs and normal person, they definitely not help. So, and I'm not saying that you don't go for a complex indicators, complex strategies, complex trends. Of course, you go, but you should understand what you are talking about. You should understand why you selected these why you selected these five sectors, and from these five, every sector you selected five stocks. There should be some logic behind it. To if you want to become a professional in stock market. So, guys, in the next session, which is going to be uploaded soon, it will be a live session of live trading. Okay, live trading. So when you do live trading, I'll show you the charts also, because people will say, "कि sir, आपने कोई chart दिखाई नहीं." Whenever somebody talk about the stock market trading and all, they start showing charts. They start showing buys and this that. But I feel that sharing the knowledge what I gain from the experience, like as a like a small trader or a small investor in the stock market, okay, that is more important than showing charts and all and deceive the candidates that yes, there is huge stock market things is going on, because the videos that we have shared in our module and task sheet, they have all the charts, they have all the discussion and all these things. Okay, so go through those videos and this video also, and this video also, and try to gain the knowledge. Okay, okay, guys, thank you very much.